if you want to know my most favorite blushers and highlighters, just stick around. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be talking about my most favorite blushes and highlighters of all time. So girls who've been following me on Instagram, they know that I am a blush fanatic. Like, I literally love blushers, and the second most favorite thing is highlighters. I just really want to dip into highlighters. I'm so in love with them. So today I have categorized my blushers and highlighters, so basically my products, into two categories. One is drugstore and the others are high-ends. So when I say drugstore, I mean something which is inexpensive and easily available to all of you and a known brand. The first product that made it to my list is this from Sephora. I mean guys, this is such a good blusher. I just came to know about this and I've just started using it. This is really great. So firstly, I will be talking about the packaging. Packaging is really sleek and chic. For me, packaging really matters because I have to carry it anywhere, so it should be travel friendly. This product, like, it comes with a small mirror here, which is very much required, because when we are traveling, we should have the mirror. And now let's talk about the pigments. I mean, this one is a highly pigmented blusher. So you just can't put a brush on it and just put it on your face. Otherwise, it'll be like pop on your face. So you really need to swatch it properly and then apply it. So let me just swatch it for you. And guys, believe me, this is so buttery. This is very smooth. Oh my god, just look at this one swatch. This is so pinky. I totally love it. So this one is a Sephora product and the MRP of this product is 1500 and it have 12 shades. So you can just play around with the colors. Alright, so my next favorite blush here that made it to my list is this from NARS and the shade is Orgasm. This one is really my favorite and I've been using it from a very long time. And of course, I have already told you the packaging really, attracts me because it should be travel friendly. I have to carry it. So if I'm like on the go somewhere, so I just want to touch up, I can do that. So it also comes with a small mirror here. And guys, the shade, I tell you, the shade is very nice and it's a little shimmery. Like, it's not like the previous one, the very subtle. It comes with little shimmer over it. So let me just swatch it for you. Okay, this is not that buttery as Sephora. This is little harder press. And see, I'll just show you. Can you see the difference in both of them? I mean, this is a little lighter and this is a little darker pink. But it comes with shimmer, so I really like it. So when you have to wear it at night or somewhere, you can just use it. I mean, this is very nice. Okay, so let's talk about the MRP. And the MRP of this product is 3000. I mean, okay, yeah, but 3000. And also it comes in two forms, so you can just choose it. It comes in liquid form as well and in this powdery form as well. The last product, the last blusher in my list is this one, the most classic one from Bobbi Brown. And guys, this is like literally, the most classic blush I've ever used. Of course, the packaging is still, guys, the sleek one, the one I really prefer. And let me open it. It does not come with a mirror over it, like it does not have a mirror, but when it's Bobbi Brown and I really love the shade, I can compromise on the mirror. And I have already hit the pan on it because this is very nice, guys. Let me just swatch it for you. This is a proper pink that you want. Just look at the three shades. Can you see the last one? All three are pink, but they're very much different from each other, and this is my most favorite and my go-to blush, I can say. This is my go-to whenever I'm just leaving for light. I can just put it on, and this is not that highly pigmented as well. This is like, you can just put it on, put a brush on it and put it directly on your face. You don't need to, it's not that highly pigmented. So let me just go to the MRP of this product, and it's a whopping of 3200. I mean, this is the most expensive blush, but it's worth it. I must say it's worth it, and it comes in 5 shades. Alright, so I am moving to my most favorite highlighters now. So let's start with the first one. The first one that made up to my list, guys. So believe me, if this one made up to my list, then I am actually liking this one. This one is from the Color Bar, and I really love it. I've recently tried this, but I've fallen in love with this. Okay, so this is from the range Glitter Me All Next World. So this is, guys, okay, this is a kind of very different packaging they have. It comes with this box, and it of course does not have any mirror. You can't carry it anywhere, but guys, believe me, you guys, I mean, telling you, this is very nice. Let me just watch it for you. Let me just do it. Oh my god, just look at the one swatch. This is so, I mean, this is a mix of gold and silver and little bit, poppy. I totally love it. I mean, people who are a fan of little golden and a silvery touch on it, they can go with this. And the MRP is not, I mean, that much, and it costs you 788 rupees, guys, which is very good MRP for this highlighter. I totally like it, and you can just go with it. Next highlighter, guys, I have tried this very recently. Like, I haven't had it before, but like, I was like, why I haven't tried it before? I really wanted you guys to know this. This is one again from the Color Bar and from the same range, Glitter Me All Chic and Shine Kit. Okay, guys, so it comes with this kind of palette, but I usually don't use the pink side of it because I don't like my cheeks to get like really dark pink. So I just use the golden side of it. And guys, this is very nice, and the text, oh my god, just look how smooth it is. How smooth it is. Let me swatch it for you. Oh my god, just look at the swatch. If you are a golden highlighter person, you should definitely have this. I mean, if you don't have a golden highlighter, guys, what are you doing out there? You should definitely have it. And of course, it's not required that if you guys like the pink, your cheeks a little pink, you can use both sides of it. I don't like my cheeks to get a little dark pink, so I just totally love this golden one, so I don't use this side of it. And the best part about this highlighter is it does not emphasize your skin that much. I mean, it keeps your skin very light. And the MRP for this product, guys, is 1213 rupees. That's it. Yes, 12 and 13, that's it. So you should definitely have it if you're a golden person. This is one of the cult favorite of all the glow queens out there. So guys, if you don't have a Champagne Pop by Becca, I mean, what are you doing? So my next product is this one from Becca. This is in the shade of Champagne Pop, and believe me, guys, I mean, I'm a totally champagne person, and look at the packaging. It is so classic. I mean, it just gives you a very elegant and classy vibes. This definitely comes with a mirror, which is, of course, I mean, I carry this highlighter like everywhere, so I really needed a mirror for this. And the color, guys, you guys should definitely pay attention to that. This is very nice. Let me swatch it for you guys. And guys, believe me, this is a butter, guys. This is a butter. Okay, oh my god. Can you see the difference in these three highlighters? They're totally different. The first one I would give a little pearlish, just a tinge of pearl in it. And this is a proper gold, and this one is a proper champagne, guys. So this one, this also comes in a mini. So if you're not fully ready to commit to a full size, you can get a mini, which is for, I guess, 1500, and you can just try it, and then you can just get the bigger size. But believe me, you will be spending money on it. So the bigger size costs you 3000, no, actually 2900. Yeah, it costs you 2900. And guys, if you will be shelling the money on it, you won't be regretting it. This is one of the cult favorite highlighter. Okay guys, so those are my most favorite blushers and highlighters at the moment, and I'm pretty sure you guys have one or two among those. And I hope this video will be helpful for you. And please, if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course guys, you all are open to comment under my videos. So I will just let me know what all content you want to see next, so I can just go accordingly. Thank you. Till the time.